In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop the Microsoft Store from popping up. If the Microsoft Store keeps appearing on its own, maybe when you click certain files or type a command, there's a quick setting in Windows that can stop those unexpected launches without uninstalling anything. We'll adjust a feature called App Execution Aliases, which are shortcuts that tell Windows to open specific apps. In this case, sometimes the store, when certain commands are used. Start by opening the Settings app. The fastest way is to press the Windows key and the letter I together. That opens the main settings window so we can get right to the options we need. If your screen layout looks a little different depending on your Windows version, that's okay. The names we're using are consistent across recent versions. Next, look to the left side of the settings window and choose Apps. This is where Windows keeps controls for installed apps, defaults, and other app-related features. We're going here because the behavior that triggers the Microsoft Store to pop up is managed inside these app settings. Inside Apps, find and click App Execution Aliases. This page lists commands that Windows recognizes for launching certain apps. When an alias is enabled, typing a matching command or opening a related file can tell Windows to start a specific app or, in some cases, open the Microsoft Store to suggest an app. That's useful for some workflows, but it's also what can cause those annoying pop-ups. Now scroll through the list and turn off the toggles for App Installer, Microsoft Store, or any specific app you suspect is behind the pop-up loop. Turning a toggle off doesn't remove or break the app. It simply stops Windows from intercepting commands and routing you to the store. If you're not sure which one is the culprit, start with App Installer and Microsoft Store, since those are the most common triggers for Surprise Store windows. You can always come back and re-enable a toggle later if you need it. After you've switched off the appropriate aliases, you can close settings. In most cases, the store pop-ups will stop immediately because Windows no longer redirects those commands. If something you do regularly stops working, just revisit App Execution Aliases and turn the needed toggle back on. This change is fully reversible. And that's it. By adjusting app execution aliases, you take control of when the Microsoft Store opens, keeping your workflow distraction-free while leaving all your apps intact. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you shut down those unexpected store pop-ups for good.